toolpath copied and pasted. Let's alter it. So it is highlighted right now. I can hit F2 to modify, or you could just hit enter. Either one of those brings up the modify features. Now, the toolpath is still an outside rectangle. We are still defining the frame from the center. The center is still located in the same place. Man, isn't this great? The surface height is still at Z0. Length, this is the difference. Remember we left 5 thou on all sides for the roughing pass? We need to pull that 5 thou off all sides now. So what is the finished length? 6 inches. What is the finished width? 1.755. Don't worry, no one was listening. We're still going to have the 30 thou corner radius, so we have some type of chamfer on that corner. The total depth is still 785. We are not going to do step passes. We are going to go full depth. We're going to finish the profile of our part at full depth. This is common. So, for depth per pass, we give it the whole enchilada, 0.785. Plunge rate, this is a cutting plunge rate because it's going to be ramping. However, it's only going to be taken off that 5 thou. So it's not super critical. I think we're just going to, let's leave it at 23. It's a safe number. It's below what our feed rate's going to be. We are going to ramp at 45. We are going to climb. Feed rate. Somebody calculate my feed rate with a 3 thou chip load. 3 thou chip load. There you go. Get them calculators out. RPM times number of flutes times chip load equals feed rate.
13.75.
Say again?
13.75.
1375, is that what you got? All right, let's call it 14. And F10 to save. Ah, rats. Hold on, I'm going to go back into that. I got a little hasty. I'm going to go back into modify. I want to graph this thing first. That's what I'm trying to remember as I finish off a toolpath, is I want to take a look at it. So let's go to F8 graph. Okay, so it quickly populated, and I'm looking from the top down. Up here on the upper left, it says top. So from the top view, this is looking really good. I see my facing zigzag passes. I see that large outer toolpath from my 1-inch rougher. And then I see this inside one from that 1/2-inch tool. And those corner radiuses look a lot closer to 30 thou. And it's all centered on the X and Y origin. So I feel really good that I put all these in the right place. Now let's go and look at a side view. Let's see if I can get to the front view real quick. Okay. So what am I looking for when I'm going for a side view of my toolpath?
It doesn't go down below 0.
Making sure it's staying out of, it's going below 0. I'm making sure it's staying out of my work holding. And let's go ahead and zoom in, help us see that a little bit. Whoa, what happened there? Here we go. Okay, so it is going to the same depth as my roughing toolpath. So I'm still leaving myself, I believe it was like 30 thou of a margin between the bottom of that tool and my talon grips. So I'm feeling really good about the depth of this toolpath. I'm going to hit escape to come back here. Now that I feel good about the toolpath, now I should accept it.